Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I have a quick review and quick demonstration on this beautiful electric nail drill that was sent to me for review, available on Amazon, so I will have the link down in the description bar below. This is by Nail Master. It comes in various colors. I have the white one here, which is my preference, and it is at 30,000 RPMs. This is the dial where you control the speed, the on-off switch, and it does have a forward and reverse. Okay, with the hand piece, I do like this kind where you have this knob right here. It turns for locking the bit. Let me go ahead and put a bit right here, and you just lock it into place. It also has a little area for, I do have it plugged in. This is as far as I can reach it. It does have a good length plug-in cord, but you can put your drill bits here as you're using them, or it comes with this also so that you can place it on the side like so, and you can put your handpiece while not in use like that. So let me go ahead and demonstrate really quick how to use this handpiece or this electric drill. I am very impressed how well it works. It has no vibration whatsoever. It runs very smooth and is quite quiet as well. So let's check that out. I now have this at full speed, which is my preferred way of working, especially with this. This is a medium ceramic bit. So there you guys have it. Again, that was a quick demonstration and review of this very effective nail drill or electric nail file. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that the link for the Amazon, where this is available on Amazon, will be in the description bar below. I would like to thank Nail Master for sending me this beautiful drill to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.